Welcome to this stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom new build villa, constructed in 2023. Featuring a private pool, parking space, and a spacious garden with high-quality artificial grass, this property offers a luxurious and comfortable living experience. Optional heated swimming pool available. As you enter the villa, you'll find a large parking space with access to the swimming pool, side and rear gardens. The entrance gives you a bright, airy feeling with plenty of natural light flowing into the villa, complemented by a covered seating area. Step inside to the open-plan lounge, kitchen, and dining area. The living room feels spacious and inviting, offering beautiful views of the pool area. The fully fitted modern kitchen comes with built-in appliances, making it both stylish and functional. Down the hallway, you'll find the master bedroom with an en-suite shower room, a second bedroom, and the master bathroom. This villa has been constructed with the highest quality materials, including thermal cavity wall and roof insulation, double glazed high security glass, magnetic door locks, and many more exceptional features. The property is ideally located within walking distance of the Baños de Fortuna spa, thermal baths, coffee house, and hotels. It's approximately a 5-minute drive to 3 large supermarkets and a Saturday morning market in the local town. The Baños de Fortuna is a charming spa town located in the region of Murcia, Spain, famous for its natural thermal baths. These healing waters have been used since Roman times for their therapeutic properties, offering visitors a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. The town is also known for its peaceful atmosphere, scenic surroundings, and excellent wellness facilities, making it a perfect destination for relaxation and health. Whether you're soaking in the warm mineral-rich waters or exploring the nearby landscapes, Baños de Fortuna provides a unique and tranquil escape.